Alright, we are going to fix our mistake here. Don't freak out. I know if you're watching this video, I sure appreciate it. I'm going to get to it as quickly as possible because you're right now, if you are like me, you're about to lose your mind thinking you lost your web page. Alright, we're going to go and click on Pages. We are in the Elementor editor here. We're going to click on Pages, All Pages. We're going to scroll down to home page. We're going to click on Edit with Elementor. Okay, and it's going to load up. Don't worry, calm down, it's alright. Come on, hurry up and load up. These people are freaking out because they thought they lost their web page. Alright, we're going to go up here and we're going to click on the E and we're going to come down to History. Now do not freak out that there is no history there, because what we're looking for is a revision. All right, we're going to click on Revisions. Okay, now we got all kinds of revisions here, right? And what you will do is, let's just go back 23 hours ago. We're going to click on that and see what we changed, and it's going to load. I'm sitting there pointing at the screen. It's going to load what happened 23 hours ago. Okay, here's what I was working on, and of course it was a mistake because all my stuff is behind this picture. Anyway, back to what we were doing here. Okay, all right, so let's go back to 8 minutes ago. Okay, all right, we're going to click on that. It's going to load that. Okay, now this is one I edited and it says we serve up chicken blah blah blah. Okay, all right, so that was wrong. Okay, let's go 8 minutes ago. All right, now it's changed the comfort. Okay, that's what we want. Okay, this is a fixed website. Okay, we're going to click Apply. All right, and then we're going to click Publish, and your web page is now back to where it was. All right, you did it. You fixed the web page. Okay, well, as a thank you, you could click on the link below and buy something from my Amazon store if I helped you out. Leave a comment below and see if tell me if this video helped you. All right, well, thanks for watching, and we will see you around the house.